Okay, I installed all the trims and the baseboards. So it's everything came really nice. So now only thing is now I need to cover these nail holes. So for covering these nail holes, there's another compound. I don't remember the name. It looks like a silicone. So you can use that one. So I don't want to buy another tube and just for a small job here. I have used wood filler, interior wood filler. So I'm gonna put a little bit wood filler right now and let it dry and sand a little bit and paint over it. So that's my next job. So you don't need lots, just a tiny bit to cover the holes. Forgot to tell you, I always use this butter knife for this kind of work. That's the perfect tool for that. So I don't like to use the other tools. So this is perfect for me. It works really good for me. So always I use this butter knife for this kind of delicate work. Okay, I'm gonna finish everything and leave it for a day and sand tomorrow and paint. That will be really beautiful. Then the next step is to install these valves for the water lines. I will do a little video about it too. Then the next is the toilet and the little sink. So yesterday I apply wood filler for the little holes, nail holes. It's dry now. Now I need to sand, then get ready for painting. So I'm using the smooth sand. Also I can use my hand like that too. So I'm using 150. That's a smooth sand. So I did the sanding and now it's ready to paint. I'm gonna paint white paint. It's a white interior paint, semi-gloss enamel. So I finish all the painting and trims and baseboard for the washroom. Everything came really good. So the last step, I need to put silicone around these window corner edges. So you know, these are vinyl window frames. These are wood. In Canada, you know, it's in the winter time. We don't open the windows all the time, so it's moisture build up. So the moisture can go through these openings inside to the wooden frame and start rotting. So to avoid that, need to put silicone around all the window frames. Now I'm going to do that. So I'm going to put white silicone. This is used silicone tube, so you can see I cut it, and because after using several times it's gonna hard, then I have to cut the tip too much. That's why it's cut too much. I hope I can remove these hard parts. Oh, it came easily. That's good. I still can use this one. So if it's too hard inside, you can get a wire like these and break the hard ones and get the new whatever the liquid silicone out. I did a video previously how to use silicone. If you wish, you can watch that one too. So let me see. This is soft. Yeah, it's usable. Okay, I'm gonna use the silicone now. So as I told you earlier, I always keep a wet cloth with me, so to wipe off any mistakes or over silicone I'm putting. So because this is the tip is too big, so I'm not sure I can do a good job. I mean, very kind of tricky job right now. Okay, we'll start with here. Yeah, it's come too much right now. I have to use my fingers to do like that. You see the gaps over here, so they need to close those all the gaps. Okay, excess silicone I can wipe off like that. Bottom part. That's pretty much good. Okay, same thing. Need a little bit more silicone. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe off the excess silicone and then ready to go. So I finished putting silicone around the edges of the window. All the spaces are, all the holes are gone. So I finished the baseboards. For this, you can see the little opening over here. It's not nice because the wall is not 90 degrees exact 90 degrees, so that's why the opening is here. So I'm gonna fill up this one too with the white silicone. Little too much came out. I have to. So I'm going to put some silicone here too. Okay, pretty good.